hold on. Before you spend money on another AI tool, you need to see this. What if one platform could generate AI videos, images, animations, and even let you access multiple premium AI models from a single dashboard? Sounds too good to be true? Well, today we're taking a deep look at Pollo AI to find out whether it's actually worth your time, or just another overhyped AI tool. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through what Pollo AI is, how to log in, its main features, and whether the free version is good enough for beginners. Let's get started. First, open your browser and visit the official Pollo AI website. Click the sign up button in the top right corner. You can create an account using your Google account, Apple ID, or email address. If you already have an account, simply click Login and enter your credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll notice that everything is organized into easy-to-use categories. Instead of jumping between different AI websites, Pollo AI brings multiple creative tools together in one place. You can create videos from text prompts, turn images into videos, generate AI images, upscale photos, remove backgrounds, and even explore different AI video models depending on your project. Whether you're making YouTube shorts, social media content, marketing videos, or creative animations, the workflow is simple enough for beginners. The interface is clean and beginner friendly. Just choose the tool you want, enter a detailed prompt, upload an image if needed, select your preferred AI model, and click Generate. Within a few minutes, Pollo AI creates your content automatically. Now let's talk about pricing. The free plan gives you limited daily credits so you can test the platform before upgrading. If you're creating content regularly, a paid plan unlocks more credits, faster generation, and access to additional premium features. So, is Pollo AI worth it? If you're a content creator, designer, marketer, or someone who wants an all-in-one AI creation platform, Pollo AI is definitely worth trying. The free plan is perfect for testing the features, and the simple interface makes it easy, even if you've never used AI tools before. Overall, I'd give Pollo AI 9 out of 10 for ease of use, creative features, and overall value. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest AI tool reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.